Hello everyone, welcome to the session. Today we're gonna talk about soil mechanics and the soil properties. Soil properties. If you take a sample of soil, let's say here, so it has a weight and a volume. It also has some water content and also some air content. So we have W as weight and total volume as V. But it has three parts. So it has air, it has water, and it has solids. If we consider the volume of air as VA, the volume of water as VW, volume of solid as VS, the volume of air plus the volume of water is called volume of voids. The weight of the air is WA, weight of water is WW, and the weight of solid is S. We have to understand the relationships between these parameters. The first thing that we need to understand is the water content. Water content. The water content is basically the weight of the water divided by the weight of the solid, and is always greater than 0. It can also be 0. The next formula is the degree of saturation. The degree of saturation is usually shown in percentage, and it is shown with S. So S equals to the volume of the water over the volume of the voids. So this one times 100. Another relationship is the void ratio. The void ratio shown with E is equal to the volume of the voids divided by the volume of the solid, and it's always greater than 0. It can also be 0. The fourth formula is porosity. Porosity is shown with this symbol, and it's equal to the volume of void divided by the total volume times 100. So it's always shown in percentage. It shows how much voids we have in the total volume of the sample. The fifth formula is the air content, and is shown as a C. Air content equals to the volume of air divided by the volume of void. The last relationship is the percentage of air voids and it is basically shown with this sample, and it is equal to the volume of air divided by the total volume times 100. So that's all the formulas related to the soil properties. You need to understand the water content is always greater than or equal to 0. The void ratio is very important, it's always equal or greater than 0. So the soil sample could have 0 voids or 0 water. But if it has water or air, then we need to understand the air content, the water content, degree of saturation, porosity, and the percentage of air voids. Thank you so much.